In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom folder icons in Windows 11. Customizing your folder icons is a simple way to keep your computer organized and make important folders stand out at a glance. Instead of every folder looking exactly the same, you can change them to different colors, styles, or even your own images converted into icons. First, decide which folder you want to customize. This can be an existing folder, like your Documents or Projects folder, or a brand new one you create just for this purpose. It's often helpful to start with a test folder on your desktop, so you can clearly see the changes as you go. Next, you'll need an icon file, which usually has the extension .gcao. Windows uses this format for folder and shortcut icons. If you already have some icons downloaded, make sure you know where they're saved on your computer. If not, you can search online for free Windows icons or convert an image, like a PNG, into an ICO file using a trusted converter site. Just be sure you're downloading from a reputable source and save the icon somewhere easy to find, such as a dedicated icons folder in your documents. Once your icon file is ready, right-click on the folder you want to customize. From the menu that appears, choose Properties. A new window will open with several tabs along the top. Click on the tab labeled Customize. This is where Windows lets you change how your folder looks and behaves. Near the bottom of the Customize tab, you'll see a section called Folder Icons. Click the button that says Change Icon. Another window will pop up, showing a list of default Windows icons you can choose from. If you like any of these, you can simply select one and press OK. But if you want to use your own custom icon, click the Browse button instead. In the file browser that appears, navigate to the location where you saved your ICO file. Select the icon file, click Open, and you should now see your custom icon appear in the preview list. Click OK to confirm your choice, and then click Apply, and OK again in the Properties window. Your folder should immediately update with the new icon. If you don't see the change right away, try clicking away and back again, or refreshing the window. You can repeat this same process for any other folders you want to customize, using different icons to create a clear visual system across your files.